check out our newest feature release, Autoresponder for form and survey submissions. Now you can automatically send personalized auto responses to clients upon form and survey submissions. Why this matters and how this could help your business. Now, clients can receive prompt auto responses when they fill out a form or survey. You can also easily configure the autoresponder settings, and you can tailor the auto response details with customizable subject lines, direct reply to options, and personalized sender identities for a streamlined and branded communication process. One of the things I really love about this new feature is that you are not going to need to build complicated workflows when you do a simple form or survey. Now you can have a general catch-all prompt autoresponder that's really going to help you and your business significantly. So let me show you exactly where these are. First, you're going to access either forms or surveys. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and access forms. I'm first going to click on the left-hand navigation of Sites, and then I'm going to go ahead and select Forms. Now, I could add a form, I could start from scratch or use a template. And for all of my examples, I'm always starting from scratch just because it gives me a really easy base to use. Now, choosing a template is awesome too because we have so many amazing templates already created for you and ready to go. Now, once you're in your form, you're going to go ahead and click on this bell button in the upper left-hand corner of your menu. And this is where that easy add autoresponder is going to be. Now, all you need to do is toggle the autoresponder on and then go ahead and customize those settings, reply to email, and the sender name. And now what is awesome is every time somebody fills out that form or that survey, they are going to go ahead and get a response from you. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.